I'm bus guy here. Today we're on the Elizabeth line on the way to Abbey Wood. Let's get started. This is a new train station. Elizabeth line is new. The only reason I didn't go on it the day open because I knew it was going to be packed. You can just smell the fresh air of the brand new station. As you see, 3 minutes for Abbey Wood. The station's got step-free access and there's special doors. The train station's really long and the train was ready to depart. It hasn't even departed yet. I've already done an Abbey Wood video now I'm going back to Abbey Wood.
A is the
Platform A. The train's coming, guys. I can hear it. Yes, coming. But the train to Hampton still there. Look, as you see, there it is. There's the train, the Elizabeth line train. We're going to be getting on. That train looks a bit busy, but hopefully the back will be a bit emptier. This is wharf free carriages, yeah. Just open on the train now. Train now leaving.
This is the train to Abbey Wood.
The more seats are nothing really good to see from this pitch black. But yeah, don't matter. At the back of the train, we are going really fast as well. I will show you other parts of the train, but it's pretty packed. But if you see my other video, it was empty and everything. Yeah, probably only going at Abbey Wood on the way back. It'll be
Next station, Custom House.
I think Customs House train station is this way. If I'm right. Am I right? Okay, I think I am. Another Elizabeth line train over there. Just wait at the train station where you should see the Elizabeth line thing there. There's that train leaving. No. The train is delayed because of the Panton, but we're not even going in the Panton direction. What's really weird. I'll probably have to end the video if we haven't moved in the next like 10 to 20 minutes. I'll probably have to get DLR. I'll probably pause the video and get DLR. But the trains to Panton are still running, guys, what I didn't really get. Okay, the driver just said in this train we're ready to depart, luckily. There's the other one approaching, you'll see in a sec. And for once we are going. There's the Elizabeth line logo. Custom House.
This is the train to Abbey Wood. Next station, Woolwich. Change for DLR and National Rail Services.
I think we're going underground in a minute. Oh, there's another Elizabeth line. I don't know why there was an accident a few days after it opens, but yeah, it don't matter. Now out the tunnel. Going a bit fast though, that's good. but we had to wait some time since there was an accident. It was been like 10 minutes. I was about to get off then. We just got in the tunnel area again. Getting a bit dark. Apologise if you're not liking the tunnel bit, but yeah. And if you guys like the front bit. It's like a YouTuber at the front of the train with a big camera.
Next station.
But I'm using my iPad for this because I do have a camera for my videos, but I just don't want to bring it out because I don't think I should bring it in Elizabeth line. I don't know why. But yeah. So we're shortly arriving at Woolwich. Woolwich is a big station as well. Bristol stations are big. Woolwich. Everyone's getting off now. It was so packed now. Everyone's getting off at Woolwich. I better look at the seats now. As you see, this carriage 9 of 9, train to Abbey Wood. We're leaving now. Yep, guys. So now we're leaving. I just don't know how the doors know when the train's opening. Woolwich is, oh my god, Woolwich is packed. Abbey Wood. Probably no one's at Abbey Wood where this train will turn it. I mean, the train line is even open. Half the train line it's not even open. It's really quiet on the train. It's a really quick journey, I'd say, not that long. Not the longest journey. There's the door. I'll just see it says again, this is carriage 9 of 9. Train to Abbey Wood. As you see, there's only one more thing to Abbey Wood. It's pretty dark, you can't even see anything, guys. Apologies for that. But yeah, in a minute, when I get out of the tunnel, Abbey Wood is outside train station, so I'll show you guys that. And if you want to, you can check out my other video at this train station. Yeah, see, this is what I meant, guys. It's now outside. There's a train depot. There's a train depot over there. Thameslink train. There's a Thameslink train. Next station. Oh, look at that Elizabeth line train go. That was a really fast train, I'd say. The next station is Abbey Wood. Well, the train terminates. There's only one train in the depot. Wow, I did not expect, but yeah. Apparently in the future, Crossrail will be big and it's going to go to like Birmingham, everywhere. So here, I think the London-Liverpool Street line's open. There's a little bit of track there. See it, say it, sort it, guys. So yeah, we're getting off now. We have to go run and get the other one, so I can go home. So yeah. So guys, as you see that train going, I did not make it, but it doesn't matter.